I just made me some Honda clamps for my floor system. So yeah, we went from check this out. Those are not clamps, those are vices. Using them as vices. There we go. From this, your typical pinch weld clamp. Ta-da! To the Honda clamp. All by myself. From scratch. I'm that good. I didn't do the Mo clamps though. I had to buy them. You have to be on some real acid to make something like this. But this is easy stuff. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Cool, cool. So these are my other ones. But they're not clamps, they're vices. At this moment, they identify as vices. So they're not doing any clamping duties. They're only vicing duties. See, that's the third one. And it's holding up a motor. And then I got me another one right here. Oh crap, too close. Get up, get up. That's holding this other piece of garbage motor. So there's the Mo clamps again, and there's my setup. So that's my homemade stuff. Homemade stuff.